Uy! I think nagsustalk talaga siya. So ano yung pinopost ko sa mga Instagram.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you what's inside the box. So pinadala to kanina lang, and I'm so excited to open it. Yet I wanna share it with you as to what's inside. And let's start na para matapos na. Let's start.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, I'm back. So, nagbihis ako kasi nag-shirt ko kanina ang init-init kasi. So, let's open it. So, what's inside? And by the way, sabi ni Ski, or sabi ni Jowa, binili niya yung ibang items nung March pa, April, May. So, kaso dapat dumating to nung birthday ko, kaso due to ECQ or unforeseen event, di siya na-deliver on time. So, kaya ngayon siya na-deliver. So, excited ako ma-open siya. So, this is just not a gift. So, uy! I think nagsustock talaga siya. So, ano yung pinopost ko sa mga Instagram. Guess what? Nike! Alam niya ang favorite color ko when it comes to shoes. So, it's white. Let's check what's the size. Baka dito para sa akin, eh. It's 7.5. I remember. Okay, kasi noon, ang nagbibigayan kami ng sizes na when it comes to shirt, short, jeans, sandals, rubber shoes. So, yeah, may notes pala siya sa size ko. So, yeah, this fits me. And, I think this is, okay. It's Nike Air Force 1. 7.5. Thank you. Thank you, Ski. Thank you, Ski. Thank you. So, ganda. Thank you talaga. Ito, guba ako. So, parang dalawa lang pala yung, ang nasa. So, guess what? I have bag. Familiar yung bag pin. Isa rin to sa pinost ko sa Instagram, eh. Oh, thank you. So, by the way, this is from Modern Folk. They have sturdy bags as I've checked in Instagram, and I posted a bag once in my Instagram. So, maybe doon din siya nag-stock. Gusto ko siya kasi pwede ko siya mabagay sa dress, jeans. Parang pwede na ako magmama. Ilagay ko dito yung mga biberon, gatas, ano pa. Okay, nice. Ganda, in fairness. Ang tibay, there's still something inside. Ano to?
Wow!
Let's open. whitening. So, yellow na ba talaga yung ngipin ko, te? Parang nilulungan mo ako ng teeth whitening. Good teeth whitening, whitener, detoxifier, activated organic charcoal. Thank you. Appreciate it. So, dalawang binili niya. Pag mga ating. It's a necklace. It's a necklace. It has our initials A and F. Means to say Anne and Floyd. So, susuotin ko siya ngayon din.
Wow!
Thank you! Kumikinang na ako. Kumikinang. Ano pang mayroon dito? So, I have 2 small boxes. Let's see. It has his name on it, Floyd Raymond Best. Yung isa is mas heavy kaysa sa isa. So, ang gaan ng isa. Ooh! This is from Mazi. Okay, guys. Mazi is a shop online shop in Instagram where they sell accessories like bracelet, earrings, rings, anklet, and whatsoever. It's open. Ooh. Maybe this is an anklet or a bracelet. It's open. So nice. Parang gold lahat ang binigay sa akin ah. Magmamadam na talaga ako. This won't fit in my sa paa ko. So i-try natin sa kamay ko. Sa kamay nga siya, friends. Tingnan. It's nice. Another thank you. Aww. Wala na. Let's open the other small box. Ganda ng something like, basta ang ganun eh. Gaga. Oh, another one from Mazi and it says Gemstone. Okay. Sabi niya, di ko na i-open yung Gemstone. Ako lang dapat daw makakalam. So, okay. Still a bracelet, and obviously this hindi to para sa hindi to anklet. Hindi to anklet, guys. It's also from Mazi. So happy. Okay, so po, nakita niyo na po yung laman ng gift ni sa akin from March to June, and I'm so thankful ng marami. Ang ganda, pero of course, hindi ko to susutin habang nasa bahay ako. Susutin ko lang to kapag after COVID na siguro. Especially the shoes. I'm really into white shoes. But thank you. So guys, thank you for watching, and that's all for today. Thank you for taking time to play the video, and I hope you click the subscribe and like button below. Until my next one, bye!